Hey Amazon sellers! Waving hand. If you're looking for a fast and effective way to do product research while browsing Amazon, then you need the Helium 10 Chrome extension in your toolkit. To install the extension, head to the Chrome Web Store, search for Helium 10 Chrome extension, and click Add to Chrome. Once it's added, make sure you're logged in to your Helium 10 account. Even a free account works. Now let's say we're searching for makeup brush. I have already searched here in Amazon. Now click the Helium 10 icon and select Xray, Amazon Product Research. The Helium 10 Chrome extension gives you real-time insights right on Amazon's website. No need to open a separate tool. Boom, you get instant data on the top products in the niche. You can see estimated revenue, monthly sales, BSR, review count, FBA fees, and net profit. This helps you quickly validate whether a product idea is worth pursuing. But that's not all. The extension also gives you access to ASIN Grabber, quickly export ASINs for bulk research. Profitability Calculator, estimate profit margins after fees. Inventory levels, see how much stock a competitor has. Review Insights, analyze reviews to understand customer pain points. Whether you're a new seller or scaling up, it helps you avoid saturated markets and focus on what actually works. Want to try Helium 10? Use the link in the description for the best discount available online. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss a powerful Amazon selling tip.